Senator Cruz, do you want to respond to that?
You know, it is interesting to hear so much of the Democratic rhetoric that government controlling your health care is always justified by saying the insurance companies are terrible. Now, this is an example of what John Adams famously said, facts are stubborn things. Let's talk about some facts. In 2008, the 10 largest insurance companies in America made just over $8 billion profit. In 2015 rather, those same 10 largest companies made $15 billion in profit. Insurance company profits have doubled under Obamacare. That was the result. Bernie helped write Obamacare. I don't think the federal government ought to be passing a law that doubles insurance company profits. And while those profits were doubling, what happened to the average American family? The average American family, your premiums have gone up $5,462. At the same time, the average deductible has gone up $5,000. For families that are struggling, you're getting less coverage, you're paying more for it, and your deductibles are higher. And you know who's making out like gangbusters? The insurance companies and those in government whose solution is let's have even more government control. This thing isn't working.
You know,
Senator
here
Sanders.
I find myself in agreement with Ted. He's right. The function of insurance companies is not to provide quality health care to all people, to make as much money as they possibly can. Ted, let's work together on a Medicare for all single-payer program. So we're finally going to get insurance companies, private insurance companies, out of our lives. As you know, as the American people know, we are the only major country on earth that allows private insurance companies to run the system. But it's not only the points that Ted made about the insurance companies. What he forgot to tell you, even adding insult to injury, is many of these CEOs at the insurance companies make outrageous compensation and get all of these severance packages, in some cases over $100 million. Ted, let's work together. We're going to get those insurance companies out of health care. We'll move to a Medicare for all health care program, guaranteeing health care to all people.
Thank you, Senators. Unless you want to agree to a single-payer system.
I would love to respond.
You're not going to support that. I know that.
Well, actually.